we focus so much on the bad that's come from the coronavirus shutdown that I feel like we've overlooked the fact that there's both good and bad that's going on around us in terms of private equity and venture capital. There are definitely cash-starved companies out there, but many of these companies are in fundamentally sound businesses, industries that will bounce back when things turn around, even if that takes a while. And I know there's a lot of uncertainty about how long things actually will take to rebound. But there are a lot of excellent buying opportunities out there for private equity buyers. Let me give you an example. Take Apollo and Silver Lake's $1.2 billion equity stake in Expedia. Expedia is a household brand name in the travel and leisure industry, and we're ultimately someday going to start taking travel vacations again. That's an investment that could do very well. A few weeks later, Apollo announced a $300 million stake in a commercial printing company whose customer base consisted of a lot of small businesses that were really hammered by the shutdown. You take investments like this, and they could do very well once the economy begins to return to normal. And I want to stress that it's not just taking a bet on a stock price. By being a private equity investor, they're going to help these companies kind of re-engineer themselves to get to the new normal, which we don't know what that new normal will look like. But one of the roles that an activist investor plays in this environment is to play a role in helping companies transition. And so I think it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out.